Hello everyone, welcome to the channel IGCSE&GCE MATHS School. We are going to do the paper 1H of Mathematics A of Edexcel IGCSE June 2022. Right. Now here this question 18. We have done up to question 17 this paper. Now today we are going to do the discussion from question 18. Now question 18 is a triangle they have given. ABC triangle, and this angle B is 115. This side AB is 9.7. This side the BC is 12.3 meters. This length of side having given meter. Now work out the value of x. This angle we are asked to find. So three significant figures. Right, we will do. Okay. Okay. Now in this diagram, to find this angle, if we have, because this angle opposite this side, that side has been given. Then if you know this side, then this angle is opposite angle, therefore we can apply sine rule. Right? Therefore doing that we have to find this side. There's no way else but to use the cosine rule for finding AC. Because its opposite side, opposite angle has been given, other two sides have been given. Then we will first of all find side AC. Then we use the cos rule. We apply cos rule. Then here Q18 cos rule. What is that? A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC into cos A. A is the angle opposite this side. These are the other two sides. Okay. Then we will write here. Therefore, we want to find AC, so therefore we will start from AC. AC squared. AC squared equals, these are the other two sides. Then this side, then this side. 9.7 squared plus other one is 12.3 square. Then minus 2 into these two sides. Then into 9.7 into 12.3. Then into cos. Then cos here angle is the angle opposite this side AC. Here the side AC. Angle opposite this one is this angle. 150. Cos 150. Okay. Right. Now straight away we can take AC equals what? This one. Square root 9.7 squared plus 12.3 squared. Okay. $245.38. Then minus this part. Two into 9.7 into 12.3. Yes, 2 into 9.7, 12.3. 230.62 into cos 150. Right. Okay, we'll write here cos 150. It is not exact value, right? This is AC. Okay. Now, we know now AC. Then side opposite this angle and side opposite this angle. We know. There we can apply the sine rule. What is sine rule? Sine rule is sine A that is sine x over 9.7. Right, sine A over, sorry, we see right different, sine P over P equals sine Q over Q. So like that is this here. You take the angle P and its opposite side, angle Q and its opposite side. Okay. Like that here. We can take this, you want to find sine x, you take sine x, its opposite side is 9.7. Then you have to take sine x, its opposite side is 9.7. And equals here. Other one is we found this one. Sine 115 over AC. Sine 115. Sine 115 over AC. We just write AC. Okay. Then we want to find x here. Then sine x equals sine 115 over AC. AC and take this 9.7 that side, 9.7. Okay. Then you want to find x value. Then x equals sine inverse of this whole thing. Then take the sine part to that side, becomes sine inverse. Then sine inverse within bracket this whole thing. Sine 115 over AC into sine 9.7. Okay. Then AC value we have found here. We will substitute now that for AC. Then x equals sine inverse sine 115 sine 115 sine 115 into 9.7 over that whole thing. Like this. How much? 245.38 minus 238.62 multiplied by cos 150. Okay. Then you calculate this. This will give you the value of x. Okay. We apply first cos rule to find the side AC. we didn't get a proper value, you left the answer in the form of statement. Then we apply the sign to get this. Okay. Now we will simplify. Then here we write sine inverse. Then sine 115 sine 115 into 9.7. Right. Then this one divided by, again square root 245 minus, sorry, 0.38 minus 238.62 into cos 150. Right. That is this. Yes. 1.7. No, it can't be. Right? There must be a mistake, I think, in this calculation. Sorry. Inverse sine 115. Sine 115 into 9.7. Okay. Division by square root this thing. 245. Yes, we get 28.193. Then x value equals 28.193. Then we asked to write the correct 3SF. 3SF means here third, that's your first significant, first significant figure, second significant, third significant is 1. Then fourth one is greater than 5, add 1 to this one. 28.2 degrees x. So this is the answer. Right. Okay. Now the question 19. We'll do question 19. Question 19. I will resolve this. Right. Now, right, Q19. Here they say sector S, Q19. This is the sector S. Then they say this is the center of the sector. This is the radius of the sector R plus 7. Then this angle at the center is 45. This is sector X. Yes. Then they say a circle C has radius R minus 2 meters. Here R plus 7 meters. R minus. Then this is another circle. This different circle from this diagram. Okay. Area of the sector S is twice the area of the circle C. Okay. Then this C is not the circle from which the sector was taken. That sector has been taken from a different circle, where of the radius with the radius is R plus 7 meters and center is C. Oh. But the C is a different circle, the radius of which is R minus 2 meters. Right. Area of the sector S, this sector area is twice the area of the circle C. That is they are the given particulars for us. And find the value of R. Okay, we will try. What we have to do is we have to write the expression for the area of the sector, and they say it is twice the area of the circle. Write the expression for the area of the circle and connect them in the particular relation that they give. They have given the relationship of the area, that is area of the sector S. This area is twice the area of the sector. Right. All right. Area of the sector. area Q19, area of the sector S equals, how do you find the area of a sector? Theta of 360 into pi r square. Okay. Then here what is theta? Theta is the angle at the center, 45. Then here it is 45, 360 into pi into r means r plus 7. R plus 7 square, because r square, r plus 7 square. R plus 7 square, like it. Then area of the circle C. Then area of the I will erase this part because we need the space. Fine. Right. Okay. Area of the circle C here. We are going to write. But how define the area of the circle? That is pi r squared. No? Then r is r minus 2 is substitute. Pi into r minus 2 square. This is the area. Okay. Now what is the relationship of the areas? Sector of the area is twice the area of the circle, and then sector area. Then sector area equals twice the circle area. Right, that is what it says. Then we substitute. Sector area formula, how much? We got this. 45 over 360. 360 into pi into r plus 7 square. Square equals, there twice the circle area, 2 into circle area formula is pi r square. Pi within brackets r minus 2 square. Okay, right. Now we will try to build up this, right? So this, right? Then 45, 360, then how many 45s for 360? 45 times 90, 8 times. 8 times 5, 40. 8 times 3, 32. Yes, this one is 8. 1 over 8 here. 1 over 8 into pi into r plus 7 squared equals 2 into pi r minus 2 square. Okay. Then you divide both sides by pi easily. Then this cancel, this pi cancel. Ultimately what is left is 1 over 8 r plus 7 squared equals 2 into r minus 2 squared, like that. Okay. Right? That pen is OI. Okay. Now we will try this one. Right. Then this one 1 over 8 r plus 7 whole thing square equals 2 into r minus 2 whole thing square. This is the ultimate relationship. Right now we will expand this 1 over 8 Otherwise, we can do like this. First of all, you remove this 8, multiply by 8, multiply by 8. Okay, then 8 cancel, r plus 7 squared equals 2 times 16. 2 times 8 is 16, then r minus 2 squared. Okay. Now, we will expand this. When you expand this, r squared, first term squared, then plus first term and first term into second term into 2, that means 14r. Then this one 7 squared means 49. This one here 16 r squared. This into 2 minus 4r. Then the minus 2 squared means plus 4. Right, so like that. Right now, we can multiply by 16. R squared plus 14r plus 49 equals 16 times r squared is 16r squared, 16 times minus 4r. 16 times minus 4, 4 times 6, 24. 4 times 1 is 4, 64. Then this will be minus 64r. Then this will be 64 again, 16 times 4. Right. Okay. Now we bring all these terms to this side and convert this into a quadratic equation. Right, then it will be on this side will be 16. I take all these terms to all these terms to that side. Then this side will be 16r squared minus 64r plus 64. Then take this r to that side, minus r squared. Then take this plus 4r to that side, minus 14r. Then take this plus 49 to other side, then minus 49 equals 0 on this side. Now we simplify. 16r squared minus r squared is 15r squared. Then you get here minus 64 r plus 14r. Then minus 64r minus 14r get added, then 78 minus 78r. Okay. Then 64 minus 49. Then 64 minus 49, how much? 14, 13. Right? Yes. 13. That is plus 13 equals 0. Now you have to find the value of r. Find the value of r. They say what? Find the value of r, yes. Then 78. Then 15, then you have to find the factors of 15. The factors of 15 into 30. 15 into 30. Then you can write 3 into 5 into 30. 3 times 5. 64r minus 64r. So we can't factorize it seems. So there we apply the formula. Formula equals R equals minus B plus minus square root B squared minus 4AC over 2A. Right. Then A equals how much here? A equals 15 here, coefficient of R. Then B equals how much? Minus 78. Then C equals how much? 30. Now we will substitute. Okay. Right. Then we'll substitute R equals minus B. B means what this? Minus 78. Minus 78. Okay, then square root. Sorry. Plus minus square root. Then B squared is what again? Minus 78 squared. Minus 4 into A means this 15. Right. Then C equals 30. Equals 30. I don't think this can be solved because this minus 78 squared must be definitely greater than all these things. Right, okay then. Yes. Yeah. Then 2A. Yes, 2A. Okay. 2A should be greater. Right. 2A means how much? Again 50. Oh, then we will simplify this part. R equals plus 78 plus minus. Right. Right. Square root 78 squared minus then minus 4 into 15 into 6, 30. No, that's wrong. Wait. Here there's a mistake. This 49 and 64. 64 and 49. And deduct here. 13, then look 5. 9 from 14. Then this one is what? 15 here. Sorry. 15. Then C is also 50. Here the now we can factorize 15 into 50 into 78. So the sum of the factor is 78. How much? Can 15 into 5 into can no? Yes, 75 into 3. Yes, can. Then negative because both are right. Okay. We can factorize. We had made a mistake here in the subtraction of 64 and 94, right? It is not 40, it should be 50. We can apply factorization. Okay. Then we apply the factorization, and it is how much? Then 15r square. Then we have found the factors of this 15 into 15. Coefficient of the square term. When there's a coefficient of the square term, coefficient of square term should be multiplied by this constant term and find the factors of that product, so that some of the factors will be this coefficient of the middle term, right? Then we got the factors minus 75 minus 3, right? Then you can write minus, then you write the middle term in terms of these two factors. Then minus 75 r and minus 3r plus 15 equals 0. Okay. Now, you break this into two pairs here. Then factorize this part separately, factorize this part separately, right? Then here, 15r squared and 75r, 15r is common, take it out. Here it will be 3r. Then minus here, this one is 5. 3r minus 5 is left. Now here, in this quadratic factorization, always you have to make sure that in both pairs of brackets the same terms comes. So therefore, now we will take minus 3 here out. When you take minus 3 out here, r minus 5. R minus 5. Okay. R minus 5. Okay, now both. No, 3r here. If the whole 15 was taken there, therefore r minus 5. Sorry, only r minus 5 here. No 3 here. Whole 15 was taken out. The 88 is r minus 5. There are 5 15s for 75. Okay. Then we get the same terms within both pairs of brackets. Then r minus 5 minus 5. Then you write r minus 5 one factor. Terms inside the brackets is one factor. Otherwise, the terms outside the brackets. 15r minus 3 equals what? 0. Now here, then here r minus 5 equals 0 or 15r minus 3 equals 0, right? Then this one r will be equals 5 or r equals 5 or here r equals 3 over 15, that means 1 over 5. Okay. Then there are two possible values for r. One value is 1 over 5, other one is r equals 5. Now we come to this diagram again. Here they say this one circle has radius. R must be a value that can be used for both the radius, both the radii. Then here radius, then this r equal 1 over 5 can be used for this. This r 1 over 5 plus 7, 7 1 over 5. Okay. But can it be used for this? This r, this is r of the circle is r minus 2. Then if you substitute this 1 over 5 into this one, 1 over 5 minus 2, then this will be definitely 1 minus 1 4 over 5 will be the r value. Sorry, the radius, not the r, radius will be r minus 1 5, but radius cannot be negative. So therefore 1 over 5 cannot be put. Therefore we can put only r equals 5 both. Then here we put 12, 5 plus 7 12. Here 5 minus 2 3. Therefore we can write r is not equal to 1 over 5, right? And because of that reason, because r as r minus 2 equals 1 over 5 minus 2, 1 over 5 minus 2, then it will be equals minus 1 over 4 over 5, like that. Therefore, therefore this cannot be used because the radius cannot be negative. Therefore, r value equals how much I will write. Therefore, r equals how much? 5. That is the r value. Okay. Okay. So you have a nice time. This video is going to be finished and the video is going to be ended. And have a nice time and see you next day. I wish you all the best.